Elephant. I don't know why I heard Hierophant. So again, this is like a breakthrough. The elephant is like that hot topic in the room, like the hot idea in the room, like that one thing that everybody's talking about. Or this could be breakthrough energy where the elephant is busting through obstacles for you and I, busting through, putting out fires. I mean, it's ancient, it's ethereal, it's got its own third eye. The elephant in the room is like the whole breakup and the whole reuniting. Reunited? Some of y'all getting back with an ex. He's very smart. One of your smart exes got a lot of brain. Someone you didn't even think was that smart until like after y'all broke up and you started to like think about like all y'all's conversations or like just old reminiscing. You're like, man, he or she was so doggone smart. Like they was very intelligent. Could be sapiosexual. Could be very attracted. Someone could. I don't know why I say someone could be about to tell you their business as it concerns a person getting left and someone else getting chosen. They got lots of details. I'm talking about the yellow type, the pink type, orange, blue. I'm tripping, right? Alright. Bottom of the deck. Well, bottom of the deck was the Five of Cups. So, a lot of people they like surprised to see this person is sad. I see temptation. They're tempted to really take this offer up. The Devil and the Ace of Cups. Reason being, she's holding an apple. When I think of the devil and the apple, I'm like, oh yeah, this is like some Garden of Eden temptation. Which means somebody is probably off limits. Somebody is